If you are wondering if there is a charger included inside the box of Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then the answer is both yes and no. It actually depends on where you live. For example, if you purchase the phone in Europe, then you will not be able to find a power adapter included inside the box. It is just simply not included, and you can usually take a look at the back of the box in order to see if the power adapter is included or not. And in this case, it is not. But if you live in a country where power adapters are still included for smartphones, for example, in some Southeast Asian countries, power adapters are generally speaking still included, for the most part at least. So you should be able to find your power adapter for Xiaomi 17T Pro in the box without any surprises. You should be able to find it in there. Of course, the best way to verify that if the power adapter is included or not before opening the box is by looking at the box over here. So at the back we can check if we have this graphic information. If you don't have it, then most likely it means that there is a power adapter, so you don't have to purchase it or anything like that. And in case you do have it, then of course it just means that there is no power adapter inside the box. Leave a like and subscribe.